In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install Porsche wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. Let's check it.
Porsche Macan wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Porsche Macan with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, and more. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality Hub-Centric wheel spacers. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Porsche wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. A Hub-Centric wheel spacer comes with a Hub-Centric lips as a transition point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the Hub-Centric lips of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacers with thinner Hub-Centric lips. BONOSS Hub-Centric wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right Hub-Centric spacers, there will be no problem. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be weight adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.